Hello? Hello? Are you there? I'm back! How have you been, my friend? You're still my friend, right? No? You're great at making jokes. Anyways, wanna play a game? Let's play Simon Says. Simon Says, put your hands up. Simon Says, do a twirl. Simon Says, touch your nose. Simon Says, run away. Simon Says, run as fast as you can. Simon Says, run as fast as you can before I come and get you. Now stop. I didn't say Simon Says. You lose. I win. Now I'm going to get ya.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like my horror sounds, please make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. See you in the next video. Bye!